Everybody, let's talk about it. Welcome back to another video. My name is Jenny Hansen Lane. I build income streams based off of skill sets. This is Amazon KDP. You can see from this essentially thumbnail that I am overcoming the trauma of getting my books, getting 150 of my books blocked. I'm doing a punching face, but I really am glad to be this far in the journey. And I'm going to share with you the thing that all of my books have in common that were blocked. And I just realized it this week, and it kind of blew my mind. So, as you guys know, I started publishing books in January of 2022, and I published 400 books during that time. I was focused a lot on low content, medium content, and then all of everything came to a halt on January 20th of 2022 when there was a coloring page from Creative Fabrica that was uploaded to that site illegally. And I'm actually going to show you those pages in a video because I was going through my emails with KDP during this time, and I was trying to show them that I had proof to publish those things. So I had to send them screenshots, and I still have the screenshots. So I am going to try to get that video out really, really soon. And I was excited that I have that so I can show it to you. And I'm excited that I'm healing from this because, as you guys know, I told you that this happened a couple days after it happened, and it just was really hard to process and talk about. So, January 20th, they did an audit of my account and they just started blocking all of these books, just one after another. They were just getting blocked, and telling us we need to see that you have permission to publish. And I'm like, what are they talking about? Like, of course I do. Like, I've been here for a year. And it started to affect my coin, my KDP royalties. And so as I was in my account this week, I was like, let's look at all my blocked books. Let's pull them all up in my bookshelf. Let's sort by blocked. And I counted it up, and it was a little over 150 books. So I'm thinking, like, what is the thing that they all have in common? So I'm looking at all of them. And if you guys know, April 8th, Canva decided to update their terms and conditions to be more clear. This little coin on my screen is a Canva Pro element. Okay? Thumbs up, happy coin. It's free for Canva Pro. So if you pay the $10 or $120 a month, I pay annually, then Canva Pro subscribers get this image for free. It just sounds so easy and simple, right? But as you click on buttons, you learn, okay, licensing made easy. Canva for, use this media safely in a design for commercial use. Okay, here it is. Don't resell, distribute, or take credit for standalone media. You can't trademark designs that contain stock media, so be careful using it in logos. Okay, so this is what Canva told us before April 8th. So I understood, like, yeah, I can't trademark this, and I am putting it on Amazon. So maybe the don't resell was kind of tricky. I couldn't, can I do copyright? This actually has been updated since April 8th. So I was thinking, what do all my books have in common? Let's go to the Canva licensing explained. Okay, let's look at pro licensing. Okay, and here's where they finally update things that when you have a Canva Pro, you can use it for social media, and every time that you use it, it's like obtaining a new license to use it. But there's one thing that they don't allow you to do when you use Pro Elements, and that is you don't have the ability to copyright. Okay, because other artists own the work that they upload on Canva. So this guy is owned by a third-party artist, and they have agreed with Canva to let us use this in a limited commercial way. Example, YouTube video. So I can put this in a YouTube video and I can get paid $1 for every 1,000 views I get on this video, and that's okay. But I cannot say I own this, and that is what is required on Amazon KDP. When you upload, they want you to own the copyright. They want you to be able to have some type of potentially copyright registration, right? They want you to say, I own the work. And that's why traditional publishers have contracts with writers, because they start to own the copyright and have the publishing rights. Okay. So you cannot use Canva Pro elements on KDP because you cannot claim the ownership. And I did not know this because Canva did not explain their terms and conditions. There are many of us that were using Canva Pro to do this. So this week, after getting my account suspended in January and then Canva getting clear April 12th, and then me looking in my account this week, I realized all of my 150 blocked books had one thing in common. I was using pro and free elements together for my low content and medium content books. I was using third party artists, their pro elements, their cute little clip art, their cute little like illustrations. And I thought that I was okay because I was mixing it with free and I was putting it on pages and I was making my own coloring books. No, I don't own the copyright. And that's why the books were blocked. It's like blowing my mind because I've been, since April 12th, it's only been a month. I've been going through my account and changing out the covers. If you've seen my video about how I made over $700 with Midjourney, I'm prompting Midjourney. I'm updating covers, interiors. I'll have to do more videos on that. But all my blocked books had that one thing in common. Okay? The covers and interiors were being used with free and pro elements. So now when I use Canva, I'm using it as an editor, and I'm using lines and shapes and fonts only. And everything else I'm designing myself through prompts or hiring a third party. So I didn't understand, and it's not KDP's job to tell me how I was infringing on on my agreement. It's our job to keep our accounts safe. And I wanted to share that with you as I'm gaining more clarity on what happened in January. Let me know what questions you have. Please subscribe. Join us for more. Love you guys. Peace out.